Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand the group by and having clause in SQL with example. This is an important question for exam point of view. So let's start with the group by clause. Group by is used to divide a table into groups based on one or more attribute. It groups rows that have the same value in selected columns. It is mainly used with the aggregate function like count, sum, average, max and the min. So now let us understand how it works. Suppose we have a group employee based on a department number. All employees with the same department number will form one group. Then aggregate function like count or average are applied to each group. Finally, we get one result per group. Now let's move to the having clause. Having is used to filter group after grouping is done. It works on aggregate values, do not on individual rows. It is always used along with the group by. Now let us understand its working. First, rows are grouped using group by. Second, aggregate functions are applied. And third one, having condition is checked. Only those groups that satisfy the condition are displayed. For example, we can display only those departments where the numbers of employees is greater than 2. Now let's see some key points. So this is the key difference between the group by and having. Group by is used to create groups and having is used to filter those groups. Like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper definition, example and the key difference between them to get the full marks. So if you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.